I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the modem model and checking its current firmware. This tells you which file to use. Once done, plug your laptop into the modem with an Ethernet cable and log into the admin interface. Use the gateway IP or printed address. Make sure to export or save a settings backup and jot down any ISP credentials. These steps prevent losing custom settings and ensure you can restore connectivity quickly if something changes during the update process. Next, go to the manufacturer site and download the exact firmware for your modem model and hardware revision. Mismatches can brick the device. Once downloaded, verify the checksum or signature to ensure file integrity. Prepare the admin upload page, and crucially, make sure the modem is on AC power and your computer stays connected by Ethernet. Start the upload and watch status messages. Do not navigate away or disconnect until the progress bar completes and the modem confirms the new firmware. Once the upload finishes, let the modem complete its reboot cycle. This can take several minutes, so be patient. After it reconnects, log back in and verify the firmware version and that your saved settings are intact. If you need them, restore the backup and re-enter any ISP-specific info like PPPoE credentials or VLAN tags. If the modem fails to boot or behaves oddly, perform a factory reset and attempt a manual reinstall of the verified firmware. This step often recovers a failed update.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.